Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy channel. Today we are putting two of the hottest e-readers head to head, the Kindle Paperwhite and the Kobo Clara 2e. If you have been wondering which one is the best fit for your reading style, stick around. I'll break it all down in under 3 minutes. Kindle Paperwhite overview. Let's start with the Kindle Paperwhite, Amazon's mid-range powerhouse. It has got a crisp 7-inch 300 ppi display, adjustable warm lighting for night reading, and it's waterproof, so beach or bathtub reading is no problem. The latest version adds USB-C, faster performance, and the Signature Edition even offers wireless charging and 32 gigabytes of storage. Prices start around $160, with the Signature Edition at about $200. The biggest strength? It's perfectly tuned for Amazon's massive Kindle bookstore. But here is the catch, it doesn't support EPUB files, so you are pretty much locked into Amazon's format, unless you convert files. Kobo Clara 2e overview. Now let's talk about the Kobo Clara 2e. This one's a bit more compact at 6 inches, also with a 300 ppi screen. It's eco-friendly, built from recycled plastic, and includes Comfort Light Pro for blue light reduction. Like the Kindle, it's waterproof and has dark mode, but what really sets Kobo apart is flexibility. You get native support for EPUB, PDF, Mobi, and more. Plus built-in overdrive, which means you can borrow library books with just a tap. It's priced around $140, making it slightly cheaper than the Paperwhite. The only downside, the interface isn't as fast or smooth as the Kindle's. Head-to-head comparison. So side by side, the Kindle Paperwhite is the better choice if you want speed, a larger screen, and seamless Amazon integration. It feels premium, it's snappy, and it's the go-to for Kindle Unlimited readers. The Kobo Clara 2e, on the other hand, shines for people who value freedom. It supports more file formats, plays nice with library borrowing, and even has audiobook support via Bluetooth. Plus, it's compact and eco-friendly. At the end of the day, both are excellent, but it comes down to your reading lifestyle. If you are already in Amazon ecosystem, the Kindle Paperwhite is hard to beat. If you want more flexibility and library access, the Kobo Clara 2 is a fantastic pick. So which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick comparisons just like this. Please use the link given in the description if you want to buy any product.